Hi everyone, and welcome back to our tour through the Quest 3 device. Today I'm going to show you how to put this thing on. I know it's a little intimidating, but trust me, it's not as hard as it looks. First thing you want to do is on the back of the strap, push these two things together. That's going to make the head size as large as it can be. And then next, take the crown support of the strap, open it up, and give it some slack, just by pulling it like that. Okay? Now, with glasses, I found the easiest way to put it on is to take these two handles on each side of the Oculus and push them up gently so they're out of the way. Put your glasses and all straight into the device, just like that, and then wrap this over your head, and now push these two things back down to be parallel to your head. Now with your hands, reach back here and pull these devices away from each other. That tightens the Oculus around your head. And when you have it feeling comfortable, not too tight, not too loose, now tighten the crown support just by pulling it and putting the strap down like so and adjusting it, doing little minor adjustments once you have it on to where you like it to be. Maybe you want it a little looser, maybe you want it a little more tight, maybe you want it riding a little higher up on your head, maybe you want it a little bit lower on your head. Now we're getting into personal comfort area. Now, once you have it set, start playing around in the Oculus, doing what you want to do. And when you're done, taking the Oculus off is actually very easy. Just put your thumb behind the strap, pull up, and drop it down. And there you go. That's how you put the Oculus on, and that's how you take it off. Now, if it's your personal Oculus, just leave everything the way it is. When you come back to it, you can immediately just put it on. Very simple.